In this video, we will be seeing about H1 to H6 tags, that is heading tags of HTML. So HTML, as I said, is hypertext markup language. It is a web designing language, and we use HTML for designing of web pages or websites. We can have our own website. We can create our own website using the HTML language, and basic program is written in this way. Like, we will be having the document type as the starting tag. The first tag contains the document type, which is HTML. Now, other than this, we will be having the HTML tag, opening and closing of HTML tag, which will contain head tag and body tag. Now, in this video, we will be seeing what are H1 tag to H6 tags in HTML, H1 to H6. So these tags are called heading tags, and H1 will give you the heading in the like the most important heading is written using H1 tag, whereas H6 can be said as least important heading because the font size is the smallest when we use H6, and H1 gives you the highest font size or largest font size when used. So always we use it within angular bracket. H1 we write within angular bracket, and suppose I write here hello and then H1, then this is going to come as the biggest font size heading. So let's see it in the HTML editor. So here there is a program already written, the basic program. Now in the body tag, I'm going to use H1 tag, H1 opening and H1 closing. So here within the H1 tag, I'm going to write hello here. Now save the file by pressing Ctrl+S or save it and then open it in browser. So when I open this in browser, I will be getting hello displayed in the largest font size. Now let's see if I give H6, what happens. Save it and then again open in browser. So we get, you can see hello we got in the smallest font size. So the important heading is given using H1 and the least important using H6. Now let's use all H1 to H6 tags. H1 I'm using. Same way H2, H3, H4, H5. So H1 to H6 we have H3 and H4 and then H5. So the same hello message I'm keeping in all the H1 to H6 tags to show you the difference between H1 to H6 tags. So these are called heading tags. Each tag will be one less than the largest tag. So H1 will be giving you the heading in largest font size. H2 will have one less font size. Like similarly, H3 one less, H4 one less than H3, H5 one less than H4, and H6 the smallest, which will be one less than H5. So when I save it and open in browser, I will be getting hello in different font sizes, that is biggest to smaller or large. So you can see H1 gives the largest size, H2 one smaller than hello, first hello, and H3 one smaller than second hello, H4 one smaller than third hello, H5 one smaller than fourth hello, and H6 the smallest. So that is the reason the first H1 tag is used for most important headings and the last H6 tag is used for least important headings. So This will be giving you the text in bold, the one thing, and in larger font size. So that's the reason we use it as heading tags in HTML. So this is how H1 to H6 heading tags are used in HTML program, and more about HTML tags we will be discussing in coming videos. So please do subscribe the channel for more updates on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also other computer programming languages. And thank you for watching the video.